you do with the dog? What did you do with the dog?
Do you think it's worth it to get a
broke the dog.
Do you think it's worth it?
I look.
I'm being a cat.
Look. What's the
Swing? I'm being a cat.
Swing.
Pink?
And then once you do it,
You don't want to be small?
I swear if I am.
Meow. Did it kick me out again? It flipping kicked me out again. Can't play Gorilla Tag without it kicking me out.